Yes guys, welcome back to another video on the channel today. As you can see by the title, it's mad. Your boy's getting a new air filter, Ramair. The thing's gonna be like it's gonna be nuts, yeah? All I'm saying is, I'm gonna slap that bitch on the car and I'm gonna be like this. But yeah, as you can see by the title, yeah, we're putting an air filter on the car today. I've done this before, you know what I mean? I went to Halfords, I bought a little £10 thing. I slapped it on this bitch. This car was pushing 1000 brake horsepower. It was nuts. But now, we're gonna put a Ram air filter. That thing cost me an arm and a leg. Yeah, bruv, I'm literally broke. I had to take out a mortgage to get that bitch. Yeah, we got a Ram air filter. We're gonna be fitting this on this Corsa today. I wanna see what it sounds like, if it makes a difference, if it like pushes some fucking power or some shit, I don't know. So yeah, hopefully it makes my car slightly better, maybe quicker, I don't even know. But we're gonna have a look and we're gonna try this. We're gonna slap it on. I'm gonna be installing it myself as well, so hopefully it goes good. Before we do get into the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. We're on the road to 2K, and I'm saying I'm bare close to it. Yeah, you might need to back me on this. I can't lie. Listen, I thought you might have my back. But yeah, we're on the road to 2K, so if you can share this video, leave a like as well. Let's try and hit like at minimum 60 likes on this video. I'm gonna show you guys what my current air filter looks like. That bitch is looking serious, yeah? But it cost me £10. It was long. Let me show you guys what this is looking like. It's looking serious, bro. When I say it cost me like 300 quid, it cost me literally 300 quid, bro. So as you can see, this is pretty much the Halfords one that I bought a little while ago. You can probably see that video. I'll put it on the link right there. This is the current one that I have in it. I'm gonna take this bitch off. Like, look at this, bro. It's dead. It's dead. I've had it on for like 10 months. I haven't even cleaned it once, bro. It's time to leave this. And obviously the sounds ain't banging as much. The sounds ain't hitting. I wanna hear this. As I mentioned before, as you see the turbos right there. Yeah, we're taking this off. Pretty much just fitted with T20s. We're gonna rip that bitch off and then fit the new one on and see what it sounds like. I'm gonna show you guys what this one sounds like anyway. Hold on, a quick sound of the exhaust, bro. But yeah, as you can see, it doesn't sound that great, but you can hear the sum sum sum. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear more sum sum. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we're gonna put the Ramair one on there. It's either gonna make it better or it's gonna make it worse, but it's not gonna make it worse because your boy's a mechanic, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna unbox the new Ramair filter one. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. You get bare stuff in it. It's like a full kit. Right, so let's unbox the new Ramair filter. Look how peng it's looking, bro. It's there sitting in the back, bro. It reminds me. Listen, what I'm saying is, yeah, when I get tints, me and this box are gonna start moving nuts in this car, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm gonna cut a hole right there. Anyway, let's unbox this thing right there. Boom. Pro Ram, yeah? This is the one that I bought. I didn't buy the foam one because the foam one's dead, bro. Am I a bitch? I buy the serious one, bro. This cost me an arm and a leg. When I say arm and a leg, the boy's missing a toe, bro. It's long. But yeah, this is the one that I bought. It's a Pro Ram. I'm gonna open it up, but I'm gonna show you guys the other parts first. Right, so in the box you get this. What the fuck is this, bro? We don't know what this is. You get this. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna see if I can. If I can't, I'm dashing it in the bin. Then you get this as well, a little packet. And I'm saying I got a sticker in there. That sticker's going right on the back of my car, bro. What's this? Bruv, what's this? What the fuck is that? So the moment you've all been waiting for, let's unbox this Peng air filter. Your boy's gonna be smoking 300 brake horsepower Golf R's, bruv. I'm telling you, once this is on, it's long. Ooh, that is looking peng, bruv. That is looking peng. Bro, are you dumb? Look at this. It looks bare premium, bruv. So here it is. This is the new air filter, Ramair. Look how peng it's looking, bruv. Oh my days. If you do want to get this, the link will be in the bio. It is serious, bruv. Look at this. That actually looks very, very, very nice. For the air filter, compared to my other one, this one looks proper good, bro. I can't lie. When you see this hole, what do you think? I know your minds are mad, bro. You man are moving nuts. You need to control yourself, bro. Alright, so pretty much first things first is that I need to take off the old one. I'm pretty sure it's fitted with T20, so I'm just gonna screw that off. And then yeah, hopefully we can take this off nicely. It doesn't break. And then yeah, we're just pretty much gonna slap the new one straight back on. And we're gonna take it for a mad rip around the block, you know what I'm saying? And just start making hell that noise for no reason. So pretty much, gonna put a T20 on this. So just put a T20 on there. And I'm just gonna screw this out. So yeah, it wasn't a T20, you need a flathead, yeah, and then you just twist that bitch. So yeah, pretty much you go here and then you have this little clip right there. You wanna unscrew that like this. Boom, and then that should make this loose. And once you take this off, this what you wanna do, you wanna put it here, bruv. You wanna to be fair, this is not even that bad, bruv. This air filter was done me well. I've had it for bare long, bruv. It's been banging, I can't lie. Every video you heard, loud noises come from this pretty much. So it's not a bad air filter. I'm probably just gonna wash it and leave it in the background just in case this one gets messed up. So pretty much gonna keep this maybe, and then yeah. If anybody wants this though, suck him up. I just thought, let me do a little side-by-side comparison. This is the old one, yeah? Dead. Look at this one. Bare fat, bro. Why is it built like this, bruv? It's built like Tyson Fury, bruv. This is gonna look sick. Like, look, bruv. Look at this. Look. Man. I reckon this one can go straight on, bruv. Hold on, hang on a minute. This might be a 2-second video, bruv. This one can go straight on. Hold on. Let's try it. It just slid straight on. Wait, what side? Wait, hold on. Bruv, are you dumb? Look at that, bruv. Oh my days, I'm gonna get gassed, bruv. That looks sick. Hold on. Bruv, all I need to do is tighten this, and then we're done. Bruv, Wait, hold on, bruv. What the fuck's going on here, bruv? Hold on. So you got all this stuff here, yeah? Bruv, if anyone knows what this is for, please comment below, because I don't know. So yes, as you can see, the air filter is now on the car. Pretty much it's so straightforward. You just undo the clamp to take off the old one, put this back on, and then do the clamp to tighten it up, and that's literally it. I like to keep it in this box just so it's slightly protected from the heat of the engine, but it's not obviously fully protected. Like, I need to get something genuinely to like kind of block it up from the heat. But to be honest, it sits here. Obviously you get cold air from that little thing in there. Yeah, you want to make sure that you're getting cold air from there, because if you're not, then it's long. Looks sick. Like, that actually genuinely looks like my car's got 500 brake horsepower minimum, bruv. Look at that. That looks sick. It's got a little pro ram. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now we literally need to figure out what it sounds like now. Turn the car on and hopefully we'll just see what it sounded like. Yeah. Listen, it doesn't even sound that much different, bro. I can't lie, bro. Man spent, what, £50 for no reason, blood. Fuck that. From initially, it doesn't sound that much different. I can't even lie. But listen, no, actually, nice cap. It does sound slightly more like angry. I can hear the engine like a bit more raw in the engine. I don't know whether it's just like a placebo effect, yeah. But it just sounds a bit more like raw. I can't really explain it, yeah. But yeah, anyway, that's what it sounds like. I'm gonna give it a few more revs because there's bare house in it. I don't want to do it too loud. I'm gonna give it a few more revs around the back, yeah. And then I'm gonna take it for a quick spin and just see what it sounded like. I feel like it sounds better, but it doesn't. It's bare hard to explain. But all I'm saying is, if I pull up and your girl's there, it's long for you.
This is Raven Beats.
Bro, what the f***? Whoa, hold on. Oh my days. You can actually hear it, bro. There's actually a difference. Bro, at first I didn't hear it. Bro, what the f***? You can actually hear a difference. Bro, you can hear like a... Like, what the f***? Hey, listen, it's mad, yeah? All I'm saying, if you're thinking about getting Ramair, get Ramair. And also get your balls out when you're driving it, yeah? It's long. Galaxy start moving nuts around you, bruv. It's sounding sick. I'm liking it. Bruv, like, it's not a mad difference. I'm not gonna say I lied to you. It's not like a mad difference. Like, you're just like, oh shit, my car sounds mad. Nah, you can, but when you're up in the rev range, bro, everything with this car, yeah, is better when it's up in the rev range. But when you're up in the rev range, you can hear like a... Honestly, it does sound better. We got bare parts in the back that I don't even know what they do, but you know what, they're doing stuff, yeah? They're sitting in the back there making my car 1,000 brake horsepower. My car feels quicker, yeah? My car sounds like it's got some... All of a sudden, you can hear the turbos more, you can hear the supercharger more, everything's just banging. Like, listen, what I'm saying, listen to this, bruv. Hold on, listen to this. But pretty much, that is pretty much it. It's quite easy to fit, obviously, like you're paying all this money, but pretty much it's quite easy to fit. It's pretty much bolts straight onto your car if you buy the right one. It looks sick, it sounds sick, can't really complain. It's way better than the other one as well, because I needed a new air filter anyway. Obviously the engine bay is looking sick. You can see the turbos there, the supercharger there, and you can see the air filter, yeah? Induction kit's looking mad. So now the air filter is actually fitted now. I think it sounds sick, I'm very happy with it. There's one more thing you have to do when you get a Ram air filter, yeah? There's one thing that you always have to do. Every single person that has one, you have to do it, yeah? If you don't do it, then you probably don't get no MILFs. That's all I'm saying. As you can see, Ramair gave you stickers, yeah? If you don't get these stickers and you do this, bro, I've got two, brother, you dumb. Yeah, as soon as you get Ramair, this is what you have to do. done. That's literally just the one thing you have to do if you have Ramair. If you don't do that, then you don't have Ramair. Simple as that. But anyway, that is it for the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. This one's been mad, yeah? What I'm saying is my next one, you're gonna be like this. But yeah, if you did enjoy, smash 60 likes on this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Share this with your boys as well. If your boys are looking to get an air filter, tell them to get this one, yeah? This one's certified. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ooh. I'm gonna be hearing this. Bruv, it's mad.